The NBM in text 34% edge and the catastrophic risk. Imagine a HBM text %. Boost to your retirement savings this decade. A profit surge achieved without lifting a single finger. Powered by pure unfeeling intelligence. That's the promise of artificial intelligence in your personal finance. NBM text AI isn't coming for your job anymore, it's coming for your money. But that promise comes with a terrifying question. If you hand over the keys to your financial life, will NBM in text AI become the master of your destiny? And what happens when the perfect algorithm makes a catastrophic mistake? The NBM in text 20% promise NBM text AI's unfair advantage. The speed HBM or text AI brings to the market is a fundamental, almost unfair edge. While a human advisor is reading the morning news, NBM in text AI is processing trillions of data points. NBM in text 20 years of stock history. Live IBM text CEO interviews, global sentiment on social media, and NBM text Federal Reserve policy changes, all in the time it takes you to blink. This powers 3 huge applications. NBM text twin, robo-advisors, not just automated NBM text ETFs. These new models constantly rebalance and optimize based on microshifts, squeezing out every last basis point of return. NBM text view, automated trading. NBM text AI doesn't get greedy, scared, or emotional. It executes trades in microseconds, securing prices that are literally impossible for human hands to catch. NBM text predictive analytics. It forecasts trends and suggests strategies that often outperform human experts, not because it's smarter, but because it's looking at 1,000 times more information. This is how you get your NBM or text 30% to or edge. The core conflict, handing over control. But to get that NBM or text % to boost, you have to accept the NBM or text main risks of putting your future into a black box. Risk NBM text 1, the data honeypot. Your entire financial life, your NBM text 401k, emergency fund, mortgage details is consolidated into one single, massive digital target. NBM and text AI needs all your data to work. And the more centralized that data becomes, the more tempting it is for hackers. Risk NBM text algorithmic bias. The BM text AI only knows what it's taught. If an algorithm is trained on past data where specific groups, say, older investors, or specific demographic areas were restricted from high-growth opportunities, the text AI will replicate that bias, locking you out of your best chance at wealth. Risk NBM text 3. Meet John, a millennial investor who led an NBM text AI or robo-advisor take the wheel. For months he was up HBM text 25%, enough for a down payment. He felt invincible. Then came the NBM text Tuesday morning crash. Not a market crash, but a code crash. A tiny error in the NBM or text AI is logic, maybe misinterpreting a HBM or text Federal Reserve code word, caused it to panic sell a stable sector at the worst possible time. John woke up to a massive, unexpected loss that a human advisor would have vetoed in seconds. This is the danger of lack of oversight. NBM text AI. Mistakes can cost you big, and they happen at light speed. The key, augmented, not automated. So do we reject NBM or text AI entirely? No, the key is to demand 1BM text AI be augmented advice, not full automation. This requires a new approach from you, the investor. Here are NBM in text 3 rules for safely using HBM in text AI with your money. NBM text twin. Set guardrails, don't delegate. BM text 100%. Never let an NBM text AI trade without defined limits. Set a maximum loss threshold and a list of asset classes it is explicitly forbidden from touching. You set the rules of the game. NBM text view. Demand explainable KBM is text AI. NBM text XAI. If your advisor can't tell you why the NBM text AI recommended a move, you need a new advisor. If the NBM text AI is a complete black box, you are trusting magic, not math. Demand transparency. NBM text. Keep the what-if veto. Always keep your finger on the kill switch. A human must maintain the ability to step in and veto a decision that simply looks or feels wrong because NBM text AI understands data, but it doesn't understand chaos or common sense. NBM in a text AI is the single most transformative force in finance. It offers the chance to supercharge your wealth, but it can also wipe out gains if you don't stay informed and deeply involved. The power lies in balancing technology with personal judgment. Use XBM or text AI to guide your decisions, but never fully control them. Question for you: do you already trust an NBM Frasen or off text AI robo-advisor with your money, or would you prefer to stick with a human touch? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to see exactly how emerging technologies like NBM Sutter Ars Text AI are already shaping the world's largest investment banks, check out our next video, linked right here. Like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear this warning. We'll see you there.